What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ceeezzy. Today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be asking for girls' numbers, but we're not gonna say nothing. We're literally gonna go up to them. Let me get your number. What's up? What you think about your boy?
Não, acho que estaria mais esforço.
Hold on. What?
Mas tem aqui a pessoa.
Wait, hold on, Mom. Hi, what's up? No, sorry. I have a boyfriend. Yeah, I do. I really do. Sorry, I'm on the phone with my mom. Oh! I don't know you. I'm sorry. I don't know you. Sorry. I don't just give my number away if I don't know you. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Now what if I talk?
Wow.
That was crazy, huh?
No way.
Yeah. My name's Ceeezzy, by the way.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Zoe.
Zoe? Ooh, like the Zoe 101?
Yeah, but spelled differently.
How is it spelled?
Without the Y. And dots over the E.
German?
It's Greek?
Greek?
Oh wait, it is like, the name is, like the dots are German and the name is Greek.
Oh, okay.
I guess, or something like that.
I like your eyes, by the way.
Thank you.
So can I get your number?
I don't know you. I mean...
We can get to know each other.
Sure.
Sure? Alright.
Yeah.
You got an iPhone, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Like, who doesn't? I'll put that in there.
Weirdos. Don't.
Oh, yeah. She think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
Oh, sorry, no.
No, she wasn't ready.
Oh, I'm good. Thanks, so. Have a good day. No, I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're definitely right. Oh, fuck. God.
What you did, Shay.
Oh! No.
What you did, Shay.
Oh!
What's up, y'all? So that's the end of Ceeezzy TV's asking girls without asking, trying to get their numbers. So hopefully y'all like it. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. Share with your friends if you liked it. And I'll see you on the next one. Yeah.